Hey guys, I have randomly decided to go live. And it's good to see people joining in, I guess. Yes, I can see my Germany fan club. I can see. Hi Abhishek, hi Naresh, hi Filmy Diary, thank you for the hearts. Hi Faisal. Casting shower, good, thank you. Hope you guys are doing well, staying indoors, staying safe. Hi Khwahish. Nice name, Khwahish. Hey Arjun Kapoor Squad. Hey Food Cloud. Hi Shantanu. लिखो यार कोई अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट लिखो घर पे बैठे बैठे. अच्छा खाना तो खाते हो और अच्छी पिक्चरें देखते हो, कुछ लिखो हमारे लिए. Binoy Gandhi, Bonito. Just following your footsteps because you're the true Chokra Jawan, Natkat. Hi Yash, hi Arjun Online. Thank you yaar for my compliment for the hair. Hey Jimmy, how are you? Ankit, hi from America. Hi, how are you yaar? Hey Max, thank you for calling me handsome. Hey Naveen from Bangalore. Oh my god, it's the sexiest of them all. Vikram Fadnis saying hello to me. Vikram, I love your cap that you're wearing these days and roaming around. Why indoors I have not known. What have I been eating, Vikram, you want to know? I don't want to tell you because you're definitely not eating what I'm eating. Sneha Zala, loving my new look. अभी यार तू आके फोटो तो ले नहीं सकता, लेकिन जब खुलेगा लॉकडाउन तो जरूर ले लेंगे फोटो, फिक्र मत कर. थोड़ा डिस्टेंस से लेंगे लेकिन लेंगे जरूर. ए फ्रैग एग्जीक्यूटर, यार बड़ा अजीब नाम है पर ठीक है. आई लव यू टू, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग अ फैन ऑफ माइन. I'm good. Yeah. Thank you for liking the beard. Let's shoot in this look. Hey, Ravindu, I think it'll be a bit difficult. Rabitali, my new film. It's a film with Rakul Preet Singh and Neena Gupta that's being directed by Kashvi Nair, who's a young upcoming filmmaker, being produced by Nikhil Advani. We're going to announce it soon. The title. We finished shooting for it. We have about 6-7 days work left. I've just randomly decided to go live. I hope you guys have nothing better to do. Actually, I have Ishaqzade's script, which I was going through, which is actually dated 7th October 2011, which kind of makes you realize how time flies. And yeah, this is the 7th draft that Habib sir had written, which we received, which was the shooting draft. It's just a bit surreal, and I've been reading the fact that it has some notes of mine, which has actually been kind of fun. It feels quite strange knowing most of the lines even still, so it's quite. Okay, sorry, my WhatsApp hung. Vikram, I won't sign for you. Sorry, you're better off without me. You should find somebody else. Shashank Dharma, mere bhai. For all of you that don't realize it, Shashank actually worked with me first, and then decided to make Humpty with Varun. So he owes me a film, which I keep telling him. मेरे से बहुत चीज़ें बोरो की जिसके बारे में हम यहाँ पर बात नहीं कर सकते. लेकिन शशांक, thank you for being such a big support to me. Then and now, and I love having a friend like you. I think इशरकज़ादे में हमारी उतनी दोस्ती शायद हुई नहीं थी, लेकिन धीरे धीरे यशराज और धर्मा और काम करते करते साथ में it's been great having another connect to इशरकज़ादे in our film industry, making sure that they're doing well. Sid Kanan, you're disturbing me here also. Hey Rakul, you're missing shooting. Well, I think it's better that we miss shooting rather than show up and not be allowed to shoot. Hello Pooja, how are you? And by the way, Pooja is Pooja Hegde, who's just called me Arjun Ji, and she's giving me the respect of being a senior, which is good to know. Yeah, Vikram, I said no to you because I don't think you can afford me right now. Hey Pritika, thank you for being my biggest fan. So हाँ, मैं पढ़ रहा था स्क्रिप्ट और I forgot कि मैं आप सबके साथ लाइव पे हूँ. मैं क्यों हूँ लाइव पे मुझसे मत पूछो, मेरे पास रैंडमली हूँ. So yeah, it just I thought I'll read a scene while I was thinking about it, but I think आप लोग बोर हो जाओगे अगर मैं scene पढ़ूँगा. But it just feels kind of strange I still remember the scene in the bathroom that I had to eventually do, which turned out to be quite cool. And that's my audition scene actually, where I jump into the bathroom and say, "Galti ho gayi, maafi de de." Quite a few scenes which got cut from the film eventually. So sorry, I'll continue talking to you. I think if I keep looking for the scene, do some dialogues. Vikram, you can't afford me. Yes, I'm Chokra Jawan for you, even though I'm your senior, Pooja. But it's good to know कि तुम सीनियर्स की इज्जत करती हो. बहुत अच्छी बात है. One dialogue from Ishaqzadeh. Well, since it's social media, nobody can stop. Oh, I found the scene. So, if you see that, that says full energy, and that's the line that pretty much showed up in the trailer. And, well, if you see, there's a nod also written, which... So this is the scene where she's in the washroom and the door of a cubicle opens. Zoya comes out, goes to wash her hands in the wash basin, and she hears a sound. She turns. Parma is bolting the main door of the toilet. Zoya is stunned. Ladies में क्या कर रहा है? Sorry, हैं? गलती हो गई. माफी दे दे. जान ले लूँगी मैं तेरी. Zoya pulls out the cutter. She points it towards Parma. Parma grabs her hand before she can shoot. ले. पर माफी तो दे दे. हाथ छोड़ो मेरा हरामजादे. Which I can say now because it's social media. Parma with a sense of pride in inventing the word. हरामजादे नहीं, इशकजादे. Well, Zoya kicks Parma as soon as he says this, and she says, "तेरी हिम्मत कैसे हुई? जैसे तेरे हुई मुझे खुलेआम थप्पड़ मारने की." Zoya kicks him hard. Parma winces in pain and still enjoys it, which they told her to bite me and scratch me, and I was supposed to smile. चीज क्या है तू? Which I couldn't say Z, so I had to say J. चीज क्या है तू? मेरा कट्टा तेरी कनपट्टी पे गड़ा और तेरी इतनी से ना फटी. By God, पहली बार देखा है तेवर. इशक हो गया तुझसे. दे दे माफी. बन जा मेरी इशकदारी. पिक्चर का नाम पहले तेवर था, इसीलिए ये टाइटल है तेवर, और इसकी वजह से हमें टाइटल मिला था तेवर. अब इससे ज़्यादा सीन पढ़ूंगा तो बोर हो जाओगे आप सब यार. ऑलरेडी मुझे लगता है हो चुका है. काफ़ी लंबा सीन है. टीचर वीचर आती है और वो सब होता है. बट आई गेस यू गाइस गेट द जिस्ट, एंड आई होप यू गाइस एंजॉयड माय मिनी रीड. हे अंशल, हाउ आर यू? हे जॉन्टी, हाउ आर यू? Come to PUBG. No, yaar, I'm better off like this. Thank you for liking my hairstyle, everybody. Hi Miku from Japan. Thank you for appreciating me. Hey Humad. Hey Sonia. Everybody. Hi, how are you? Okay, I just thought I'll do this randomly, and it's actually turned out to be quite nice. Now I don't want to F it up and say anything more. But hi to all of you who are saying hi to me right now. Yeah, I can see people waving to me. My favorite scene from Half Girlfriend. My favorite scene from Half Girlfriend actually, I can't remember right now what my favorite scene is. Yeah, give me 30 seconds. It'll come to me. Hi Nilofer, how are you? Filmy Rani, my day was really good. Chilled at home because I can't go anywhere, and nor should you. But yeah, that was pretty much my. Well, I guess. हाफ गर्लफ्रेंड की बात हम 19th को कर सकते जब उसकी एनिवर्सरी होगी. हाय दीपू, हाउ आर यू? थैंक यू ईशा फॉर बीइंग अ बिग फैन. यू मिस्ड माय हेयर सो मच. ओहो यार, मत मिस करो. ये लो, बाल आ गए. ठीक है, बाल के साथ अब पसीना भी आने लग गया. डिम्पल, यू वांट फन मेमोरीज फ्रॉम the data. I don't know what that means, Dimple. I'm going to message you to ask you. I'll tell you. Thank you, Pulkit. Oh, from the sets. Fun memory from the whole film was fun. Yeah, it was. We were freezing. So I shot Chokra Jawan at 0 degrees, and eventually the beer that was being splashed around actually created. We felt like we were actually in the real place because there was so much of beer. That's real beer that was splashed on me when I was doing the floor step. Hair styling tips. यार ये मैंने एक्चुअली बाल को थोड़ा डिफ्यूज करना चालू कर दिया बिकॉज मेरे बाल बहुत मेसी वेवी और ऑल ओवर द प्लेस होते हैं. तो हरदोई कैसा था? हाँ, वी शॉट इन हरदोई फॉर एक्चुअली फॉर द एंटायर ब्रोथल ऑफ चांद बेबी वाज हरदोई. तो वहाँ पे सब्जी मंडी हुआ करती थी. एक दिन लेट हो गए थे, ट्रैफिक जाम बहुत था बिकॉज सब्जी मंडी आई थिंक संडे या मंडे को खुलती है. बट वहाँ पे हमने मेरा एक्शन सीक्वेंस भी किया था जहाँ पे हम बस स्टैंड पे मैंने शशांक को जब पीटा था. करेक्ट, आई थिंक शशांक को पीटा था इसीलिए कमीने ने मुझे कास्ट नहीं किया. बहुत गलत. Anshula is good. Thank you for asking. She's in the other room. She's chilling and fed up of me being home, but she's safe and happy. Thank you, Sanchi. Love you too, Sneha. Rakul, I know you're a big fan of mine. वो तो मैं तुम्हें पहली बार देखते ही समझ गया था. जो मेरी अगली पिक्चर है एक्चुअली तुम्हारे साथ ही है. तुम बहुत फॉर्चुनेट हो कि तुम्हें मेरे साथ काम करने का सुनहरा मौका मिला है. इसका फायदा उठाना. नहीं मतलब फायदा मतलब इस्तेमाल नहीं, मतलब तुम समझ गए मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ. थैंक यू पलक. बाबा लॉट्स ऑफ लव. प्लीज टेक माय नेम. there पलक, I took your name. Favorite scene of Ishaqzaade? I think that bathroom scene for many reasons. I think the scene in the chemistry lab जो हमने एक शॉट में किया है, जो 2.5-3 मिनट का सीन है. उस समय फिल्म होती थी, डिजिटल नहीं था. तो वी हैड टू एक्चुअली शूट दैट इन one shot and we rehearsed for 3-4 hours and got it right, and it's a long scene and an emotional one. My first shot for Ishaqzaade with Sham Kaushal was there. When I go to kidnap Chand Baby, there's a shot of me entering on the bike, which the shot is actually not there, but that was the first thing that I shot, where I enter on the bike, the ESD. Lost Girl room दिखा दो. ये मेरा एक्चुअली ये बैठने वाला रूम है यार. क्या करोगे बैठ के? बोलो हैंड सैनिटाइजर, बोलो स्क्रिप्ट, पानी वानी पड़ा है, रिमोट्स पड़े हैं बहुत सारे. हाँ, देख लो रूम. ठीक है. So yeah, the bathroom scene, the climax very difficult to do. The interval, I guess, is something that I love reading, but that's the reason I was like, wow, this is a damn good script. What was my audition scene, Anshula? I'll tell you. Wait, I'll come and tell you. I just said it. My audition scene was the bathroom scene, and then there was another scene where she's lying on my lap and talking, which eventually became I'm in the yellow and green check shirt where I say कि कल शादी के लिए तैयार हो जा वरना, जो एक्चुअली मैंने स्वरा भास्कर के साथ भी किया था सीन, और मैंने हुमा के साथ भी किया था. थैंक यू केत की फॉर लविंग मी इन मुबारका. ओ यू सॉ इट टुडे? या इट्स ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स. यू गाइस कैन चेक इट आउट. इट्स एक्चुअली क्वाइट अ नाइस. अर्जुन रेकमेंड्स इफ आई कैन. मैक्सिमम यार अंदर चले गया. अभी नवाब साहब घूम रहे हैं घर के अंदर. अगर होता तो मैं बुला लेता, बट मेरी बात कहाँ सुनता है वो ज़्यादा. तो यार दिस वॉज फन. अब आई थिंक इसके आगे नन की आई वुड नॉट वांट टू गेट मैरिड राइट नाउ, बट थैंक यू फॉर द प्रपोजल. वील थिंक अबाउट इट लेटर. But yeah, it's been great fun talking to all of you. And I'm going to go now. I just thought of doing this randomly, and I'm glad I did, so I could connect with all you guys. Thank you for all the love today, and thank you for connecting with me, with all that positivity and love, and all the imagery and all the sketches. Karan Bolani, when am I doing Kunal Rawal's biopic? When he gives me the rights, he's very, very expensive. And I don't want to pay that kind of money that he's asking for. But also I would have to really spend a lot of time with him to play him, and that doesn't excite me at all. But if he does want to do a biopic, you can direct it and we'll find a good actor for it. But it's not going to be me, for shiz. Pawan, thank you for the hearts. Thank you, Arjun K Universe. Hey Sam, big fan. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you from Angel from the Island. Hetal, how are you? Yeah, Gunjan, I don't follow you, so the DM that you messaged me is not going to be answered. But take care, guys. It's been fun. I'm going to take off now. Stay safe, stay indoors. Lots of love. And thank you again for the last 8 years of love and making it so special that it's flown by. And I hope to be here for 80 more years. Take care.